Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am here today at the Rockland BOCES Career Technical School. I'm actually joining with Ms. Taruli, who is head of the Cosmetology course here at BOCES. It's basically a vocational school for all of the public schools in the area of Rockland County. Kids come here for certain interests or specialties that they're pursuing. So today, one of our missions was to teach theatrical makeup, which I think the students are going to have a wonderful time with, learning different techniques with creating different looks for theatrical makeup. So I hope you enjoy this, and we'll see you soon.